Skills needed to build a digital presence. Netflix, Hulu, Amazon Prime, YouTube, TikTok, the list goes on and on and on. TV is on its way out because commercials suck. But we're consuming more content than ever on a daily basis, content that's made by professionals and amateurs alike. Side by side, same screen, same device. And the irony is that what most of us produce for content are essentially commercials, the very content that people are working so hard to avoid. Not too long ago, it was perfectly acceptable to point a webcam at yourself and call it a YouTube video. Soon they'll all know about Bob's car repair. Just you wait, you thought to yourself. But now the lines between consumer, prosumer, and professional content are more blurred than ever before. Our work as small businesses and individuals is showcased right up alongside the work of multi-million-dollar operations every day on social media. Watching your ad right before an ad for the newest HBO show will humble even the very best of us. Never before have we seen tiny budget and massive budget media competing directly for the same amount of our limited attention. So here are, in my opinion, some must-have skills for anyone looking to generate media in the new digital world. Copywriting, the most underrated skill in all of new media. It all starts with the written word. There are shockingly few great writers out there. Basic DSLR skills. You need to know the essential settings of a DSLR camera, not just the auto settings. Lighting. Once you have a camera, how do you make what's in the camera look good? Knowledge of lighting, light quality, light temperature, and placement is key. Microphones. Ever seen videos that you can barely understand or videos filmed with heavy background noise directly from a webcam mic? No good. Public speaking skills. Do you want to be boring, inarticulate, monotonous, desultory, and unwatchable? Well, too bad, because I've already got that angle covered. Photo processing skills in Photoshop and Lightroom to make your DSLR photos pop, to use the parlance of our times. Editing, Final Cut Pro, Premiere, DaVinci, etc. More jump cuts, please. After Effects or similar to put the final layer on the edited video. This is graphics, titles, fancy edits, and FX. Audio processing and broadcast loudness standards. How do you take properly recorded audio and make it sound pro? Social media formats, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, TikTok, YouTube, they all have different formats for photos and videos, different rules. You have to learn them all. Productivity and social media apps like later.com for scheduling and so on. Analytics and marketing if you want anyone to actually see what it is you're making. And of course, the willingness to produce back-breaking content daily in the face of little to no measurable progress. Yikes. Half of these are what goes into the camera. Writing, lighting, microphones, lenses, cameras. Half of these are what you do after you've captured everything correctly. Editing, effects, audio processing, color correction, and so on. You can't polish a turd, as the noisome expression goes, or fix it in the mix, as audio engineers around the world are well aware. You have to capture things right at the source, and then you have to process what you capture like a pro. That's a lot of gear and skill you need just to play the game. And you're up against productions with $1 million of lighting gear and $250,000 cameras and $50,000 worth of audio gear. But don't be discouraged. Just as many people watch Casey Neistat as watch Jimmy Fallon on YouTube, despite over $1 million difference between them in budget. Because the most important piece of it all, a great story. So, you have two choices realistically. Invest in all of the gear, spending thousands in table stakes while dedicating your life to the study of digital media, or hire a company like mine or a consultant like me to do it for you or to help you get it done. But if you do anything else, to be honest with you, I don't really like your chances.